How to put Snapchat in dark mode on iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to put Snapchat in dark mode on your iPhone. First, open Snapchat on your iPhone. Then tap on the profile icon in the top left corner. Next, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Now scroll down and tap on App Appearance. Here, select the dark mode option to enable dark mode. After that, go back and swipe down to open the control center. Then turn on dark mode to apply it system-wide. Now, Snapchat will stay in dark mode. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.